Okay. No, Marla, not like that. Marla.
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World. And today I have with me Cheryl from Fergie. Go subscribe to her channel. You'll see
Please
her.
do.
I'll leave her information in somewhere in this video, so you can go over there and subscribe to her. But anyways, guys, I'm going to be working out, and she's going to be teaching me because I've never worked out before a day. Well, I've done jumping jacks, but like that's it, because I've just always been this. But anyways,
Excuse me, but working out is not about being skinny, guys. It's getting your heart rate up, and yeah, so just let her know.
whatever. But okay, yeah, I'll be working out, so you know what, let's get into the video.
Okay, so we're gonna do some stretching just for Marla. No, I'm joking. Before you exercise, guys, if you can stretch before, you go ahead and do it. Okay, Marla?
Wait, what are you doing?
You can't be stretching so cute, Marla.
I don't know.
Please,
So you just
go to your side, pull one of your hand over, and do the other side.
wait, we have to do it in the same direction. I don't know. Wait,
It doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to the left first. Left, 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right.
pretty sure.
It's okay. Okay. Okay, Marla, we're gonna do this now.
Basically, yeah, wine.
I'm working out, okay?
No, that's what you're doing.
Guys, you really need your help. Okay, turn the other direction. Okay, jumping jacks. Yay!
Something I could do.
Yes. Let's go.
Let's see how you do it first. Oh, I'm dying.
12, come on. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
We're doing what?
22, 23, 24, 25.
That's
Okay.
not fair.
25, Marla. Give
No.
me 5. Go ahead and give me 5.
5 more?
Yes, because you didn't do 25, you did 20.
How do you know?
20, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Good job. Okay, do you want to take a sip of water?
Yes.
Or do you want to take 5 seconds break?
5 seconds break?
Yeah.
How's that a break?
I'm generous, okay? Get a sip of water. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. So the next one, I'm going to do an easy one for you so that you can recuperate, okay? Okay, do like I do. Your hands around here. And we're going to do...
twine like this?
No, we're going to do left to right. Right to left.
So.
Yep. Go as far up as you can.
Wait.
Look at me. Go as far up as you can.
Wait, no.
Look at me, Marla.
Wait, I'm looking
You
what
like
mine
this?
is on.
Okay, look at me. So my left hand to my right knee. My right hand to my left knee.
It just feels so weird.
No, go ahead and do it.
Now I get it.
And put it up as far as you can, Marla. We're working on our obliques. Our obliques? Okay. No, Marla, not like that. Marla, not like that. Look at me. Look at me, Marla. This way.
Wait, well, that's what I'm doing now.
You look kind of funny.
Wait.
Okay, Marla. This way. Come on. Come on, Marla. Get those knees up. Come on, stay with me.
That's not for me. I look handicapped doing that.
Okay, so we'll just do the next one. Let's do running on the spot. That should be quite easy for you, Marla.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So we're like actually like jogging on the spot. Yeah, she's getting this one, guys. We'll do this for a minute. How about that? You think you can handle a minute, Marla?
I got it.
Okay. She got it, guys. Okay. She got it. Let's see. Good job, Marla.
You already know.
Is that enough?
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, guys, let me know. How do you think Marla is doing? Okay, take a sip of water. Give her a break.
No, this ain't for me. How do people do this stuff daily?
I think she's doing a good job, guys. What do you think? Yeah, for Marla, right?
I think.
Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't know what they call this, but just follow me.
So give me some instruction, not just follow you.
This is a little bit of squat in it. I love squat because it works your glute and your quads.
Like this?
Yes, Marla, good job. She's doing a good job, guys. Give her some props.
My butt's gonna get bigger!
Yeah, that's what you want, right?
Yes.
Good job, Marla. Come on.
I think, no, this isn't fair. I should only be doing 5. I'm a beginner. I'm not a pro. You're evil. You're evil.
I'm not evil. I'm trying to get you in shape.
Yes, you have to start somewhere. Because this is not it.
I need a sip of water. She's stressing me out. Do you know any exercise that you want to do, Marla? Do you know anything that you're like really good at when it comes to working out?
No.
You want to do some squats now?
Yes.
Okay, guys. We're going to do some simple squats. Okay.
Let's
Put
see.
your hands
Wait, where you gonna put your
head.
hands for squats?
behind your head.
What if I fall?
She's not going to fall.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. Go as far down as you can. You don't have to kill
Do I have to
yourself.
put my foot
Just
up?
spread your legs a little bit. Just don't put your foot up. Don't let your foot go up. So go as far down as where your feet stay down on the ground.
Okay.
You can look at me. I can give you a demo.
Okay.
Good job. Good job, Marla. I'm proud of you. So she got this one, guys. She nailed this one.
How much
Let's see how much she can do.
No. My foot right here is hurting.
Okay, so this one is also a failure. Well, it's okay, guys, because she's a beginner.
I need more
And I love her to
practice.
death. So next time we'll practice before we attempt to do a workout video. Right, Marla? Just to my friend Marla.
This will be the last time.
Okay, this will be the last time. Do you want to do another one or do you want to call it quits?
I want to do another one.
So guys, she wants to do another one. Okay, which one should I do? One on the spot, you were good with that. Jumping jacks, you were okay with that. The squat wasn't so bad. She just doesn't need to do a 5 or a 6.
I just can't.
So-
This one was the worst. This one. That's so
No,
stupid.
that's the easiest one though. I really love this one.
It's
See,
just
guys, I really love this one. No, I love it, Marla.
No.
Try
I
it.
still
See?
can't do it.
She doesn't want to try that one. Okay, so let's try. I'm thinking of a simple one for you. Okay, this should be easy enough.
Oh.
See? This should be easy enough for her, guys. What do you think? Your leg should be straight, Marla.
I used to raise back all the way.
Marla, your leg should be straight.
You can't be a teacher and laughing.
Wait, so wait, you go like this.
I'm sorry, guys. Okay, Marla, look at me for the demo.
Okay. So you have your hand and then you
Guys, what is she doing?
Wait, that's not what you're doing?
She looks really funny working out. But it's okay, we'll get it.
You can't laugh at your students.
No, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you. Because remember, you're laughing.
I'm not laughing.
Yes, she.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, we'll do 2 on the left and 2 on the right. How about that?
Okay.
Okay, start with the right first. 1, 2. Okay, left. 1, 2. Right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good job. We'll take a sip of water.
Good job,
Thumbs
Marla.
up. Good job, Marla.
Guys, thumbs up if you think I'm doing good for a beginner. I don't think so, but
And how am I doing as a teacher?
she's laughing at the student, which isn't something you do.
I'm laughing at her. I'm laughing with her.
You're laughing at me.
Mm-mm.
You just laughed at me. You said, what is she doing? I'm not doing it right.
Let's try jogging in circles.
Mm.
Like just this little circle. That should be fine, right guys? Okay, come behind me, Marla.
Okay.
This is easy enough for her. See? She's getting this one, guys. And this is good. This sounds good. I like it too. Because I get a breather. Tell me when you want to stop, Marla. She's in charge, guys. I'm the teacher, but she's in charge.
Around the wall of Jericho, around the wall of Jericho, around the wall of Jericho, the army. 7 times the other fall, 7 times the other fall. When the people gave a shout, when the people made a shout, when the people made a shout, the army. Into Jericho attack, into Jericho attack, into Jericho attack.
Me.
Okay.
Guys, I'm actually sweating.
Okay.
I never sweat.
Okay, this is the end. Come on. Shit out. This is the end.
Hey.
She got this one. She got this one, guys. She did a good job. Good job, Marla.
She's making up for a bad teacher.
No, I'm not a bad teacher. I'm not a bad teacher. Oh, okay, I'm tired. Okay,
Oh,
guys.
you're tired? I didn't think you would be tired.
Of course I get tired too. What do you
Okay.
think?
Oh, I need some water.
Okay, guys, she's taking a sip.
Water is important because
Yeah. Stay hydrated when you're working out, guys. At least we're keeping busy. Even if Marley's not doing it the right way.
wow, so much for being a good teacher.
I didn't say you're not. I said even if you're not.
But the way you said it though.
What? I said it with love.
Yeah, a whole lot of love sarcasm. But guys,
Okay.
I think I did okay because I never done this before. Okay.
Yeah, she did okay for the first time. Well, the second time we'd be tougher on her. But she did a good job.
If there's a second time.
There'll be a second time because she needs to do this at least every day. Okay?
At least every
She
day.
needs to do cardio at least half an hour every day. Yeah.
So I would just do this for party.
Is that getting your heart rate up? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. Yeah, but how many are you going to do? Now you're going to do it like full slouchy? How about?
I do that all the time.
Okay. She's improving, guys. I'm telling you. See? Good job. Look at her go. Good job. How successful was this video? Very, right, guys? Thumbs up.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot of work. I did
Look
not
how she's
expect-
sweating. Because it's kind of hot out here.
I never sweat, guys. I never sweat. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like
And subscribe
and leave a comment down below and let me know what
if
you
I'm a
think.
good teacher.
Or if I'm the best student ever. But thank you guys for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Love ya.
Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.